Well, welcome to Brad on Drums. Today I'm going to teach you how to play an Afro-Cuban 6/8 beat on the drum set. This is a groove often used in jazz, but it can also be used in rock and pop music. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a musical example you can play along with so you can see how it feels to play along with other musicians. By the way, if you're new to this channel, I am Brad Allen. I'm a professional drummer based out of Kansas City. I also spent over 20 years teaching private drum lessons, and now I'm doing my best to pass along all that knowledge to you. We're going to learn to play this basic beat in 3 steps. Step 1, play the following 2-measure triplet pattern. The first measure is going to be just right, left, left, right, left. The second measure is right, left, right, left. Put your right hand on your ride cymbal and your left hand on the snare drum. We're going to count this in 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, a little faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Step 2, put your bass drum in unison with your right hand. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. A little faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Step 3, now you're going to use a cross stick on the first measure for your left hand, and on the second measure, play the small tom and the floor tom with your left hand. You can also add your hi-hat with your foot on count 2 when you're comfortable. A little faster. When you're comfortable with the basic beat, you should practice improvising. Give you a little demonstration here. You should also practice playing along with other musicians. Senor Blues by Horrace is a good example. Follow the link in the video or in the notes below to play along with the song. As a thank you for watching today, I have a free gift I'd like to send you. I have 10 beats that every drummer needs to know that I'd like to send you absolutely free. It comes with a downloadable PDF you can practice along with, and also an exclusive video demonstrating all the beats. Again, absolutely free. Just follow the link in the comments below, and we'll see you for the next video.